Hey guys, what's up? So, I was wondering, what is decentralized financing? Well, decentralized financing, or DeFi, is decentralized finance refers to an ecosystem of financial applications that are built on top of a blockchain networks. More specifically, the term decentralized finance may refer to a movement that aims to create an open source, permissionless, and transparent financial service ecosystem that is available to everyone and operates without any central authority. The users would maintain full control over the assets and interact with the ecosystem through peer to peer decentralized applications, or dApps. The core benefit of decentralized finance is easy access to financial services, essentially for those who are isolated by the current financial system. Another potential advantage of decentralized financing is the framework it's built upon. Interoperable decentralized financing applications on public chains will potentially create entirely new financial markets, products, and services. In the rest of this video, I'm going to try to attempt to answer the rest of your questions on the subject. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, but first, I'm going to ask something of you. Yeah, sure. What is it? Well, all you gotta do is like this video. It really will make me and the algorithm happy. Oh yeah, sure. That's pretty easy. Oh yeah, like just go ahead and like it right now. Like right now. Okay, don't worry. I will. I will. Okay, great. You liked it. So, what do you want to know? So, what is the difference between DeFi and open banking? Open banking refers to a banking system where third-party financial services providers are given secure access to financial data through. This enables the networking of accounts and data between banks and non-bank financial institutions. Essentially, it allows new types of products and services within the traditional financial system. DeFi, however, proposes an entirely new financial system that is independent of the current infrastructure. DeFi is sometimes also referred to as an open finance. For example, open banking could allow the management of all traditional financial instruments in one application by drawing data from several different banks and institutions securely. Decentralized financing could allow the management of entirely new financial instruments and new ways to interact with them. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, DeFi is pretty much just a new financial instrument. So, what exactly are the advantages? Traditional finance relies on institutions such as banks to act as intermediaries and courts to provide arbitration. DeFi applications do not need any intermediaries or arbitrators. The code specifies the resolution of every possible dispute, and the users maintain control over their funds at all times. This reduces the cost associated with providing and using these products and allows for a more frictionless financial system. As these new financial services are deployed on top of blockchains, single points of failure are eliminated. The data is recorded on a blockchain and and spread across thousands of nodes, making censorship or the potential shutdown of a service a complicated undertaking. Since the framework for DeFi applications can be built in advance, deploying one becomes much less complicated and much more secure. Another huge advantage of such an open ecosystem is the ease of access for individuals who otherwise wouldn't have access to any financial services. Since the traditional financial system relies on the intermediary making a profit, their services are typically absent from location with low-income communities. However, because of lower cost and broader range, lower-income individuals can also benefit. Okay, so what exactly would decentralized financing be used for? Okay, well, there are a few different uses. Monetary banking services. As DeFi applications are, by definition, financial applications, monetary banking services are an obvious use for them. These can include the issuance of stablecoins, mortgages, and insurances. As the blockchain industry is maturing, there is an increased focus on the creation of stablecoins. They are a type of crypto asset. Oh my gosh, you mean like cryptocurrency? Yes, it's usually pegged as a real world asset, but can be transferred digitally with relative ease. As cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly at times, decentralized stablecoins could be adapted for everyday use as digital cash that is not issued and monitored by a centralized authority. Largely because of the number of intermediaries needed to be involved, the process of getting a mortgage is expensive and time-consuming. With the use of smart contracts, underwriting and legal fees could be reduced significantly. Insurance on the blockchain could eliminate the need for intermediaries and allow the distribution of risk between many participants. This could result in lower premiums with the same quality of service. Borrowing and lending. Open lending protocols are one of the most popular types of applications that are part of the DeFi ecosystem. Open, decentralized borrowing and lending have been advantages over the traditional credit systems. These include instant transaction settlement, the ability to collateralize digital assets, no digital checks, and potential standardization in the future. Since these lending services are built on public blockchains, they minimize the amount of trust required and have the assurance of cryptographic verification methods. Lending marketplaces on the blockchain reduce counterparty risk that are borrowing and lending cheaper, faster, and available to more people. Decentralized marketplaces. This category of applications can be challenging to assess, as it is the segment of DeFi that gives the most room for financial innovation. Arguably, some of the most crucial DeFi applications are decentralized exchanges. These platforms allow users to trade digital assets without the need for a trusted intermediary to hold their funds. The trades are made directly between user wallets with the help of smart contracts. Since they require much less maintenance work, decentralized exchanges typically have lower trading fees than centralized exchanges. Blockchain technology may also be used to issue and allow ownership of a wide range of conventional financial instruments. These applications would work in a decentralized way that cuts out custodians and eliminates single points of failure. So, what challenges does DeFi face? Good question. DeFi definitely has its advantages, but there's some problems it definitely needs to work on. Decentralized finance challenges. Poor performance. Blockchains are inherently slower than their centralized counterparts, and this translates to the applications built on top of them. The developers of DeFi applications need to take these limitations into account and optimize their products accordingly. High risk of user error. DeFi applications transfer the responsibility from the intermediaries to the user. This can be a negative aspect for many. Designing products that minimize the risk of user error is a particularly difficult challenge when the products are deployed on top of immutable blockchains. Bad user experience. Currently, using DeFi applications requires extra effort on the user's part. For DeFi applications to be a core element of the global financial system, they must provide a tangible benefit that incentivizes users to switch over from the traditional system. Cluttered ecosystem. It can be a daunting task to find an application that is the most suitable for a specific use case, and users must have the ability to find the best choices. The challenge is not only building the application, but also thinking about how they fit into the broader DeFi ecosystem. Okay, that's not that bad. It seems like stuff they can work on. Yeah, overall, I think it's like a pretty good thing to look into since they're trying to build financial services separate from political systems and traditional services. Yeah, it seems like it's definitely worth looking into. It pretty much allows for more open financial systems, and it potentially may prevent a precedent of discrimination and censorship. Wow, that's some good stuff. So, if you found this video helpful and you haven't already, go ahead and smash the like button. I'll give you a few seconds. Thanks for that. The YouTube algorithm loves when you guys like my videos and it helps me a whole lot. Also, go ahead and comment any questions that you have about decentralized financing. I'd be happy to answer them. Finally, don't forget to subscribe. It makes me so happy when you guys do so, and it allows me to help you stay up to date on the investing world. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. See you next time.